We got a nice divergence. Look at the price making a new low here, and the indicator fails to make a new low there. That brings in a very, very nice bottom. So now it's just a question of how is it going to respond. So the trend is turning. We got a bullish divergence. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Wednesday, 18 July 2024. Today I'll be trading long yen, Swiss and pound, and short the CAD, the US and the New Zealand. Start off with the dollar index dropping like a rock yesterday after testing the moving average underside. Exactly, you seldom get them so exact than we see this one here. But a big long black candle there going into the support level here, this area here. From here, if it breaks, the next stop would be down at this levels here. So that's the next level I'm watching if it breaks down. If it starts to retrace from here, we should see another retest of either or both of those moving averages. So, but in any language, I stay short dollar because dollar intraday bearish, short-term bearish, and below my medium and long-term bearish. So I have to stay bearish on the dollar, nothing else I can do. Gold pushing a little bit here on the weaker dollar. Big sell-off first, which could be just profit taking, but worries me if the black candle start or the bearish candle starts to get very long and when the bull candles start to get small bodies. That's usually an early sign of a trend reversal. Not that I'm saying it is reversed. This is as bullish as can be, and as long as the dollar is bearish, I'll stay bullish here on gold. So I'm still good with a retracement back to the 61%. I think that would be a healthy retracement to get us back to 24.20, and then I'll consider some longs there again. I've hit some beautiful targets up the page here. We've got some trades here. My robot's got some trades. We've got some manual trades on my mentoring program. So all over, we were very nicely long on gold and made a good lot of money here. But other than that, for now, I'm stepping aside. I'm waiting for a retracement. Staying very much bullish, but I'm waiting for a retest. Bitcoin still pushing a little bit of a long upper shadow yesterday, which is expected because we're right at that $66,000 levels. You can see it's been a level for a very long time. I've been talking about this level for months here with you. So we're getting a natural resistance because it was support resistance, its structure in the past. So we should get a natural resistance. Some short-term traders taking profits at those levels. So that's why I said we needed a daily and a weekly close above that $66,000 levels. Once we get that, I think then we're in the clear. You can see my indicator here starts to turn blue faster than I thought. It's not blue yet, but it's almost there. We got a nice divergence. Look at the price making a new low here, and the indicator fails to make a new low there. That brings in a very, very nice bottom. So now it's just a question of how is it going to respond. So the trend is turning. We got a bullish divergence. We're busy making a double bottom here. So everything starts to scream for bullishness on Bitcoin, and so will the rest of the markets follow. I see XRP broke that 57-cent level, which is big, went to 60 cents and now retracing. Today they're talking with the SEC. There's a lot of people thinking that they might have a settlement today. I think XRP has got a lot of upside. So let's hope for the best there with the SEC. I hope Gary Gensler will now get out of the way of XRP. He's losing all the lawsuits, but he just keeps going at it. Maybe he's scared of it. So, no, not maybe. I think he is scared of it. But right, so let's keep pushing and see if we can get a close above 66. That would be first price. That would be really amazing. So let's see what happens there. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then we move into the Aussie CAD. I got this cautious long. I didn't get stopped because my stop is 15 pips below there. It's a cross. I use 15 pips. Strong bounce there on the Aussie, weaker CAD. You can see Aussie. I'm not after the Aussie. I'm after the short and the CAD. So the weakness on the CAD is actually increasing, but I am long and I'm a little bit worried about it. I don't like it that much anymore. But a nice candle bounce here. A close above this would make me comfortable because that would make this a double bottom. So I would like to see a close, and then I might consider adding because it's a small cautious position. So yeah, let's see. Dow Jones running like crazy. My robot took some beautiful trades on this. and hitting targets all over the place, re-entering already again. And but for manual trading, I'm trying to get a retracement back to the 61%. We got a weak dollar, stock market bullish, trend bullish. I can't stop this. Very nice trend. So if in the odd occasion that it's going to retrace, I am trying to get back in here. But we had a nice outside bar here, which my trading robot took the trade on, which is well in the money on the stage. But for this, I need a retracement. Euro US, pretty much the same as yesterday. I'm just moving the level from this structure here to that structure. Newly formed structure on this last directional swing, back to the 50-61% level. Euro, not after that, but I'm after the dollar short. So going long here will give me that dollar short. And the Euro New Zealand, Euro, I'm not worried about that, but I want to be short New Zealand. Going long here will give me that New Zealand short. Back at structure here, right at 61%. This is the area I'm watching. Euro Yen, my trading robot also had a beautiful short here from up there and hit the target last night on the nose here. But now we're looking for a retracement back to the 50-61% level, right at structure here. Look at the history here. Big level. If it's going to cut through, it's going to fly. It's going to reverse. It's going to drop like a rock. So let's see. Euro neutral. But I'm after the yen long. I still stay cautious long on yen. There's quite a few potential long yen trades today or setups today. So, but I am cautious on being long yen. But I can't argue with that. Yen is the strongest at this stage. It belongs to the bottom of the pile, but interference from the Bank of Japan, obviously, keeping it strong for now. Then pound yen also. Pound very strong. Yen also very strong. But getting a long yen, this is a way to do it. It's the only place I can short the pound is by shorting the pound yen, because there's a stronger currency than the pound there. So structure between 60 and 50%. If I can get to the structure, if I get a candle reversal there, I'll sell short. Euro Swiss, trend just starting to go bearish. Euro neutral, Swiss long. It just jumped from down here up to there. So if I want to be long Swiss, I need to short the Euro Swiss here. Back at structure, 50%. Structure there. Retracement back there. Candle reversal. I'll do some shorts. US Swiss, beautiful. On my mentoring program, we shorted the breakout here. And oh yeah, there. And we got straight to the target down there. Beautiful short for us there. But now I'm looking at the retracement back to 60% level. Right at structure here. That's the area. If I can get a retracement back there, I'll consider some shorts on candle reversals. As long as the US stays red and the Swiss stays green, I will do this trade. US yen, robot also got a nice short. Hit the trailing stop loss in the money, still have a position open for target. So let's hope there for the best. But the retracement in that event, I'm looking at a 50% retracement back to structure here. If it gets back up there, candle reversal, I'll then consider some shorts. CAD yen, CAD red zone, yen green zone. Definitely want to be short here, but cautious still because it's a long on the yen. But if I can get a retracement back to 61%, right at structure there, candle reversal there, I'll take some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support the channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk. Don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.